A while back in one of our videos we showcased the JBL Speaker Party Boombox backpack. Well, today we will be going over how we made it in case you want to carry it into a project of your own. The main items you'll need for this project are a passive subwoofer, preferably one that has a lot of bass, a pair of satellite speakers and an amplifier. In our case it is an Arylic Up2Stream 2.1 stereo wireless amplifier board, which is powered by 18650 battery elements, and everything is neatly placed inside the box. But for this you can come up with your own solution, perhaps a simple car stereo amplifier with 12-volt batteries. When you have gathered all the key items, now begin planning out as to how you're gonna ergonomically connect everything up and have a somewhat of a backpack build. Definitely find an old unneeded backpack on which you can cut off the sleeves. Attach them to the subwoofer since that will be the base for everything else. Using screws is going to be the quickest and easiest option here. Then move on to the speakers, which should be just as easy because most are designed to be attached to a wall or a stand. Afterwards move on to connecting the subwoofer to the amplifier. Prioritize using short wires to avoid any headaches going forward. For attaching the amp box to the subwoofer you can go with double-sided adhesive tape. Does the job extremely well. And there you have it. Now you can go around town blasting your favorite tunes and only slightly looking like a jackass. If you found this video helpful or at least somewhat interesting, then leave a like and subscribe to not miss out on any future projects. Thank you and goodbye.